Are you doing? Yes, you had that, Bharti and Mohammed. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start doing, please. Yes, you are on. Turn on your camera.
There we have to make all the questions.
First, you have to solve it.
All the questions or first or
Yeah,
the
you
first
can write
one.
it the question. There are only 1 or 1.5 line question. Done the first. Anyone of you?
Ten percentage.
Yes, it is 10%. First one is very simple. That is 10. 25 divided by 250 into 100. This 1 and 1 will cancel out. This 25 cancel out. You will get 10%. Next. Done the first one.
The second one is 50 grams.
The second one is 50. So the volume of the solution remains same and it is also given in the volume of the solution. Okay, that is 500.
So I'm getting 5 grams.
So it
50
is
grams.
10%. You will get 10. And then it is 500 ml. So you have to write 500 ml volume of solution. Mass of solid will be X into 100. So this 2 zeros and 2 zero will cancel out each other. And you will get this 5 and multiply with here. You will get 50 is equals to X. 1 into X is X grams. 50 grams is the answer. Do the third one.
Sir, 20%.
Sir, 20%.
It is 20%.
Yes, sir.
40 upon 200 into 100. 20%. Okay. Next. These we are doing from the easy level, the easiest possible level. Okay. Then next. Do question number 4, please.
Sir, 20%.
20%. $150 grams contain 30 grams of solute. The solution has total mass 150 grams and 30 grams of solute. Find the mass percentage. Okay, 30 divided by 200, you will get, and you will get you will get 20%. Yes. Second one.
Sir, 10%.
Okay, which is the easiest one?
Sir,
Okay.
10%.
Okay, it is correct. Okay, a solution contains 50 grams of NaCl and 20. Next question. Which is the correct option here? Tell me what is the correct answer. What is solubility? Can anyone explain me what is solubility?
Sir, the property to dissolve in a
Solubility,
solution.
solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved per liter of solution, per liter of per 100 gram of solvent. Okay, note it down. Solubility is maximum amount of solute. Solubility is maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved per 100 grams of solvent.
None, sir.
So what is solubility? Solubility is mass of solute upon mass of solvent into 100. This is solubility. Mass of solute upon mass of solvent into, and this is solubility. What is the difference between solubility and W by W percentage? Only the changes here the mass of solution. If there is mass of solution, then it will become mass by mass percentage. Okay? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Note down this question in your copy. You done? Try to solve it. Hanan, what read the question, what is saying in the question. Can you explain me? Can you tell me
The
what is saying then?
solubility in CaO3 increases by 10 gram in 100 gram of water. So we have to calculate how much solute can be dissolved in 250 gram at 60 degrees Celsius.
So you know that it is very simple question. What is saying that when you are rising the temperature of 10 degree, okay, when you rise the temperature of 10 degree, the 10 gram solute can be extra dissolved in the same solvent, in the same amount of solvent. If it is 100 grams, 10 grams of solute will be dissolved. So for every, we can say that for every 10 degree rise in temperature, 10 grams solute can be extra dissolved per 100 gram of water. Okay, every 10 degrees. So we can say here that for every 10 degrees rise in temperature, if instead of 100 gram, if we have 250 grams of water, then 25 grams of solute can be added. So in 100 gram, you can maximum dissolve 10. So the same is, if it is 200 gram water, then it should be 20 gram we can add. And if it is 250, then we can add 25 grams. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
for every 10 degree. Now it is saying that at 10 degrees Celsius, 35 gram of solute can be 35 grams of solute can be dissolved in 100 degree of water. So initially at 20 degrees Celsius and 100 grams of solvent, okay, 100 grams of solvent, we can add 35 gram of solvent to it. So simply we can say that at 30 degrees Celsius, in same 100 gram water, we can add extra 10 gram more, and it will be 45 gram. Then at 40 degrees Celsius, and the same 100 gram water, we can add how much? Means 10 gram extra, means it is total 55 grams of solute can be dissolved. Then at 50 degrees Celsius, we can, in the same 100 gram, we can add 65 grams of solute. And at 60 degrees Celsius, we can add how much? That will be 75 grams of solute. Understood? Total 75 grams. Understood?
Yes,
But here it is in 100 gram, not the 250 grams. So if in 100 gram we can add 75 grams, then how much can we add in 250 grams? Can you tell me?
So can you repeat?
I'm asking here. I'm asking here that for every 10 degree rise in temperature, 10 grams of solvent can be added. If it is 100 grams, in 100 grams of solvent, you can add 10 grams. Like for example, at 25 grams or at 35 grams, if you add, at 20 degrees Celsius, you notice that we can add 35 grams of solute to that solvent. So in the same amount of water or amount of solvent at 30 degrees Celsius, you can add extra 10 gram, because you see that 10 gram rise. For every 10 gram rise in temperature, you can add extra 10 gram. So when temperature goes from 20 to 30 degree, then instead of 35, you can add 45 grams. At 30 degree, you can add 45 grams. Then at 40 degree, again 10 degree rise, you can add extra 10 gram. You can maximum you can add 55. Similarly, at 65 degrees Celsius, you can total add 75 grams of K, but it is in 100 gram. 100 gram of water. But total is asking that how much if you have 250. So in 100 gram, you can add 75. So in 200 gram, you can add 150 grams. Double of this one. If you multiply 100 by 2.5, so you have to multiply this 75 also by 2.5. When you multiply 100 by 2.5, you will get 250 grams. Similarly, when you multiply this one, how much you will get? You will get 87.5. Yeah, you will get 87.5. 187.5. Total amount of maximum amount of solute that you can dissolve is 187.5. Just try to understand this question. I'm going to give you 2 or 3 minutes, then I will ask you again whether you understood this one or not. You done? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Not done. Should I explain you one more time?
Yes, sir.
For every 10 gram rice, there is a rise. When you rise the temperature for 10, in 100 gram, you can extra. Like for example, you start hitting a pen on a pen. You start hitting this pen and there is having some water. So when you notice that at 20 degrees Celsius, let's suppose you can add 35 gram of sugar to it or potassium nitrate to it. If this water is 100 gram, now if you instead of 100 gram, if you take 250 gram, then how much you can add? In 100 gram, you can add 35. Then in 250 grams, so 100 gram, when multiplied by 2.5, you will get 250 grams. The same you have to multiply this also by 250. So this is very simple question. It is very easy that when every 10 degree rise in temperature, you can add extra 10 gram if the solvent is 100 gram total. If you have total, अगर आपके पास पानी 100 ग्राम है और उसमें 10 डिग्री टेम्परेचर राइज करते हो, तो हर 10 डिग्री टेम्परेचर राइज करने पर आप उसमें 10 ग्राम और ऐड कर सकते हो. तो पहले 20 डिग्री पर आपने इनिशियली नोट किया कि 35 ग्राम इसमें ऐड हो चुका है. ये इनिशियल है. तो मैं 30 डिग्री टेम्परेचर लेके जाऊंगा तो इट विल गोज टू 45 डिग्री. 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर इट विल गोज टू 55 ग्राम. At 60 degree अगर मैं इसको जंप दूं तो you can maximum add it 75 grams. So this is a simple thing that at 60 degrees Celsius you can maximum add 75 grams of from 35 to 75 you can add. But it is for 100 gram na. You don't have the solvent 100, you have 250 and it 100 gram or we can 250 gram is 2.5 times 2.5 times of 100. So for making 100 gram, you have to multiply 2.5, you will get 250 grams. So you have to also, you can subsequently add 2.5 times of this one. So when you multiply this one 2.5, first for 100 gram, if it is 100 gram, you can add 75 gram. So in 200 gram, you will add double of this, 75 plus 75, you will get 150. And then in half, another half kg, plus 2 kg plus half. In half kg, you can add half of this 75. So what is half of 75? 37.5. So 150 for 200 and 37.5 for the next half kg. So you will get 187.5. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Next. Note this question, please. Scientists prepared a solution by dissolving 50 grams of solute in 300 ml of solution. So 50 grams of solute is dissolved in 300 ml of solution. 300 ml of solution. Due to evaporation, the final volume of the solution is decreased by 20%. So can you tell me, if you have 30 ml of solution and if it's 20% is dissolved, then how much amount of solution is being evaporated and how much is left? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Anan, can you tell me? If you have 300 ml of solution and out of that 300 ml of solution, 20% is dissolved. Sorry, is being evaporated. Can you tell me that? How much is evaporated? How much amount is evaporated? What is the 20% of 3 ml? Can you tell me what is the 20% of 3 ml? 300 ml.
3.
What is the 20% of 300 ml?
20% of
300 ml. What is the?
is 60.
Yes, it will be 60. So you can write it 20, remove the percentage sign, divide by 100 into 300, you will get got it. And you multiply, you will get 60 ml. So 60 ml is evaporated. Out of this 300 ml, the 60 ml is being evaporated. Now how much is remaining? 240.
240.
Because the solute never evaporate, only the solvent, the water evaporate, the pure state water evaporate. So amount of solute in the solution is still 50. Into 100, calculate the value. It's the new mass by volume percentage. Note this question, everyone fast. Note this question.
Set.
Yes.
20.8%.
What are you saying? You cut 0 by 0 and you will get 500 divided by 24. Whatever the answer comes, you get 250 divided upon 12. When you cut it further, you will get 125 upon 6. So when you divide 125 by 6, you will get 6 ones are
Sir, 20.8.
this 2. Then you will get here 20, 12. Then you will get 5, but you cannot read the table, you will get 0. Okay, and then you will get 6 ones are 6, 9 is a
Sir,
6, 6 years are 48 into 20.83. 83 percentage. Next, try to solve this question. The next. Try to solve this question, please. Everyone. And note this question in your copy notebook. I'm just coming back in a minute to start writing. Yes, you everyone understood? Done. What is the question here? A milk contain three component, 40 grams. Sorry, a mixture contain three component, 40 grams A substance and 60 gram B substance and 100 gram water. If 20 grams of water evaporates, then how many grams of water are there? Calculate the new mass by mass percentage of the substance A in the mixture. So what is the substance A in the mixture? The amount of substance A is 40 grams and the total mass of the solution after 20 grams of water is evaporated. What is the total mass of the solution? Can you tell me? A is not getting evaporated, so it will be 40 plus 60. How much it is? 100 plus out of 100, this 80 gram is remaining because 20 grams is being evaporated. So 80 gram is this one. So 40 plus 60, you will get 100 plus 80, you will get 180 into 100. You will get 400 upon 80. So that would be the answer. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 22.2%.
Okay. Next. Note this question in a notebook, please. Done? What is saying in the question? 200 ml of solution contain 30 grams of solute. The density of the solution is this one. Calculate the mass by volume percentage if after 50 ml of water evaporate, assuming the density remain constant. So now it is, tell me, this is very simple questions. Tell me. So if 50 ml of water evaporates, so how much grams of water is there in this one? Same. This will be 150 ml. This
150
is upon 30 into 100. This is very simple. Easy.
20.
Yes. Established. Okay, do this question, please. Yes, what should be the answer for this question? Explain the difference between compound and mixtures with suitable examples. Can you tell me what is the difference between compound and mixtures? Yes, you are on. Can you tell me? Can you tell me that why compound and mixture, the difference between compound and mixtures? You done? So what is compound? Compounds are in compounds, two or more different substances are combined together chemically, while in mixtures, two or more different substances are mixed together physically. In compound, the constants after the constant do not show their property, while in mixtures, constants show their property. In compounds, element cannot be separated by simple physical method, while a substance cannot be separated or constant cannot be separated by simple physical method, while in mixtures, they can be separated by simple physical method like evaporation burning. Okay. So this is the way that how we can do. Okay. You done? Yes or no? Note the difference fast. Done? Now it is very simple that why is air considered as a mixture but not a compound? Q. Why air is considered as a mixture but not a compound? Can anybody answer me this question? Yes, Hanan. Tell me.
Air is a mixture as the gases in the air are mixed together and they can be separated. The gases in the air like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, they are mixed together and we can separate them.
By simple physical method, okay? And moreover, they don't have fixed formula. They don't have fixed formula, they don't have fixed composition. Okay. And give two example of each of the following solid and liquid mixtures. Solid and liquid. There are so many. Solid and liquid mixtures. Sugar solution. Liquid mixtures. There are so many mixtures, ethanol and water. Ethanol and water. Or HCl, gas and liquids. Gas and liquid.
Water vapor.
Yes, gas and liquid.
Water vapor.
Yeah, you can say water vapor. Or fog. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Take care. Whenever Mariam, let's wait for 5 minutes so that the restaurant may also get it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.